Thank you. Life is okay. Thank you very much. Good evening. Firstly, thank you for joining us this evening. It means a lot to me. Special Joshi sir. Thank you for making the time to come today and do the honors with us. It means a lot to me. To begin with, Tangamani, Papan Karina, Chayana Chitramana Tangamani, then the fourth movie. I have characters in different characters. Bold, fearless characters. But she is very subdued, timid, devoted wife and character. Maximum perform and I hope it's come out okay. Let me first thank the entire team of Tangamani for being very supportive, and the producers and director Ratish Chattan. And I first of all, producers and Ratish Chattan for inviting me to be a part of this project. പിന്നെ ഒരിക്കലും പറയാൻ വിട്ടുപോകാൻ ദിലീപ് ചാട്ടൻ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ എനിക്കൊരു ചാലഞ്ചിങ് ക്യാരക്ടർ ആയിരുന്നു ചെയ്തത് ഒത്തിരി ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്തത് ബട്ട് ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് യുവർ സപ്പോർട്ട് ആൻഡ് യു നോ he gave me a very friendly atmosphere to make me comfortable. Thank you very much for being such a supportive co-artist. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ കൂടെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്ത എല്ലാവർക്കും thank you for being very nice to me and making me comfortable. It was a memorable journey. എല്ലാവർക്കും തങ്കമണി ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുമെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. Thank you very much. Thank you for that.
Thanks a lot, Yoga. I just want to ask you, it was challenging. But let me ask you, which one is easy for you, the bold characters or this one over here?
I think the bold ones were.
Is that Nita?
More towards that. Romantic characters romance questions bold characters
Anyway, all the best to you. Thanks a lot for joining us. Let's give a big round of applause. Thank you, Nita. Thanks a lot for joining us. And moving on.